Morning, everyone. My name is Donna Ennis, Director of Diversity Engagement and Program Development at the Georgia Tech Enterprise Innovation Institute, and I also serve as Director of the Atlanta MBDA Advanced Manufacturing and Business Centers. On behalf of the Minority Business Development Agency, or MBDA, the MBDA Center Network, Georgia Tech, our sponsors, stakeholders, and partners, I welcome you to the 5th National MBE Manufacturers Summit and thank each of you for being here with us today. For those of you who attended our Summit Eve gathering yesterday, we hope you met new people and reconnected with others. We also want to thank Joe Anderson for his insightful, powerful keynote. We are so pleased to have all of you join us today for information, insights, and inspiration. Through our keynotes, poster walk, competition, technology showcase, manufacturing technology tour, and more, we will be focused over the next 2 days on technologies that are driving the future of manufacturing right now. The National MBE Manufacturers Summit has become the annual gathering of the MBE manufacturing community to come together to discuss new manufacturing trends, meet one-on-one with corporations and original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, and network among each other for new business opportunities and partnerships. Before we begin, I'd like to thank our sponsors for their vision and support. First, I'd like to recognize our sponsors, the founding sponsor, Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Our center-level sponsors are Comcast, EPCO, and Train Technologies. Our bridge builders are Grady Healthcare Systems and the Home Depot. And our summit level are BMW Group and Siemens. Thank you again for investing in this initiative. We thank our 4 supporting partners who helped us develop content and promote the summit: our Georgia Tech Manufacturing Institute, the Healthcare Supplier Diversity Alliance, Next Generation Manufacturing, and Starbucks. Putting this summit together was a new and different experience for me and my staff. From programming to marketing to production, we had a top-notch team that came together to make this summit a reality. I'd like to extend a special thank you to these companies and individuals who guided us and held our hands throughout this process. ISOM Global Strategies, Tawan, Alan, Adrian, Garrett, and all the others, you really rock. To Yana and her team at Control Video, thank you so much for working with our team of neophytes. And for Durga of EventDex, we could not have done this without you. The Summit's virtual platform is brought to you by EventDex, a company that has been with us from the beginning. I'd also like to recognize our advisory council, who continue to provide guidance and support. Louise Connell of BMW, Bill Bernardo with EPCO, Jackie LaTroy of Train Technologies, and Adam Walker of Summit Packaging. Again, thank you for your help and continued support. Our staff has really grown this past year, and to all of you, Lauren Roberts, Brandy Nagel, Doreen Kincaid, Anita Davis, Jennifer Pasley, Anthony Jackson, Jamarcus King, Sam Knapp, Aisha Jones, and Dr. Billy D. Brown, thank you for your time, commitment, and energy. The theme of the summit this year is Future Forward, disrupting in an age of uncertainty. And my question to you today is, how are you disrupting in this time of uncertainty? For the next 2 days, you will experience keynotes, the poster walk competition, a technology showcase, a special technology tour, and more. We will discuss the latest trends in key industries and learn about cybersecurity and the industrial Internet of Things. Future Forward is about helping you understand where manufacturing is heading and to offer you the resources and expertise to get you there.